Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will start by proving control and creating the request. First, on the server, generate a 2048 or 4096-bit private key and never share it. Then run the CSR command and fill in the common name, your domain, and subject alternative names for subdomains. Once done, save both files in a secure directory and note the CSR text. You will paste that to your certificate authority. Make sure DNS points to your host before requesting validation. Next, you submit the CSR to your chosen certificate authority or through an Acme client. If using a commercial CA, pick HTTP, DNS, or email validation. If using Acme, automate with a client like Certbot. For DNS validation, add the TXT record exactly as provided. For HTTP, place the token at the specified path. Once validation completes, the CA will issue the certificate bundle. You'll receive the certificate files. Finally, install the certificate and full chain onto your web server and point the server config to the private key. Restart or reload the service and test with an SSL checker and in a browser to confirm no chain or hostname errors. Make sure your key permissions restrict access. If connections fail, check that the certificate matches the CSR, that the full chain is installed, and that the private key corresponds to the certificate. Those fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.